Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, and I wanted to start by sharing one of our QuiltCon patterns. This was made by local designer Patty Dudek, and she's calling it Citrus, and it comes in two different sizes. This one could be a wall hanging or a table runner, and then she has a throw quilt that comes in a more square shape. It's a great way to practice your curves, and she put some really fun quilting on hers, so that's another option for you. She made this quilt specifically for us to debut at QuiltCon, and so we're very slowly going through our QuiltCon quilts to share with you on video. But this one has some fun big stitch quilting as well as some machine quilting. So a really fun little pattern. We have kits and we have patterns separately, and we also have patterns online, I believe, as a digital download. So you can get that pattern all kinds of ways. And today we're going to talk about lots of other new patterns as well. This is called the Vivian Quilt, and it is made with fat quarters or 2.5-inch strips or yardage. It's a great way to show off specific fabrics. In this case, I believe that's Ruby Star. And if you want them to really show up on kind of a plainer background, that's a good way to highlight them independent of each other. And that comes in a few different sizes: baby, lap, twin, queen, or king. So you get all that in one package. The next one we have is called Picket Fence. The company is, the stats are on the back. Oh, I should have looked at these before talking to y'all. This one also comes in baby, square throw, rectangle throw, twin, square king, square queen, rectangle queen, or king. Another great one for specific prints, and I believe this one lets you use 10-inch squares or fat quarters. And then we've got Scrap Mountains. That one's really fun. Fat quarter friendly and scrap friendly. It comes in child, lap, square throw, or rectangular throw size. And of course you could probably just add a few more blocks if you needed something different. And then we've got a couple books in. This is One Day Quilts, which, you know, depending on your speed, could be one, could be more. That's a nice one, actually. I love that. So if you're looking for some quick patterns, maybe you have something you have to make for that coworker or that person's baby or whatever, these could be some quick finish quilts. Maybe a nice thing just to have on your shelf at home so you can go to it. Yeah, this is a great one right here. So you can go to it when you need a new pattern but don't have a new pattern. Next we have Season by Season. This is Table Runners. I could use this one. I'm always looking for what I'm going to put on my next table. So lots of different, oh, that one's cute. Lots of different table runner ideas. Probably all the pictures are on the back. Yes, they are. So there you can see all the different table runners for the seasons. I don't know why she finished with 11. That seems one short, but you can always come up with one for the extra month or season. And then we have Panel Mashup. This has been so popular. We've just gotten it back in stock, and it basically gives you great ideas for what to do with panels. So you may find a panel that you love, you may want to buy it, and then you're stuck because you're not really sure what you're going to do. Love that it's spiral bound so it stays open on your table. So there's like one of the ideas right there. Let's see, we have some more pictures on the back of this one too. So fun flying geese. So if you're a panel collector, this may be a great book for you. That's what we have for you today. We will be back tomorrow with more fabric and fun and new things here in the shop. I hope you have a great afternoon. Find some time to sew, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.